The clay mine. They mined clay here. That's what an old mine looks like. It would be really cool to get up in there, but it's private property, no trespassing. That's what one of the old mines looked like on the outside. They mined bentonite clay, which was used for making ammunition during World War II. It says here on this plaque. And they restore this. They're restoring this this mine structure, and they're stabilizing it so it'll stay for a while. It'll stay up. Pretty cool. Want to do some shopping? This place has seen better days. We are at Wolf Creek Pass summit, elevation 10,856 feet. People like to put stickers all over things. Well, it's better than bullet holes. Check this view. History of a road. The Great Divide, Continental Divide Trail. So I guess we are. Guess we're at the Continental Divide. Check out this. I'm up the Wolf Creek Pass. The van doesn't like it. It struggles, it strains. I couldn't get above 30, 35 miles an hour coming up these steep grades. But now I'm going to give my brakes a good test going down the other side. This is looking back toward South Fork direction. This is Route 160. And this is looking back the way we just came. It's a busy road. It's only a 2-lane highway. It's got a lot of traffic because it's a major connector. It's pretty busy. Look at those mountains, man. This is great. We're going to be going up there. We're near the eastern side of Wolf Creek Pass. Isn't this magnificent? And we got this snow-capped mountain right up here. This is an intersection. This goes down and back off into the woods. I wonder if there's camping back in there. Well, I want to get a little closer to Durango, so we'll stay on the road for a little bit. Greetings, voyagers. The San Juan National Forest, still in the San Juan Mountains. We are just outside of Durango, actually just outside of a little town called Bayfield. This road that we drove in on is called First Notch Road. It's also known as Forest Road 620. And we're in about 3 miles. We are at an altitude of 8,500 feet. And I tell you, I'm still having a little trouble with the altitude sickness. I kept waking up, having to take a couple of deep breaths because I feel like I'm not getting enough air. Oh well, I don't know how long it takes to acclimate yourself to high altitudes, but I'm working on it. So it rained. We came here, we stayed last night. We came yesterday afternoon. It was sunny. It was about 4 o'clock. It was sunny and warm and breezy. It was beautiful, and then it rained, and then it rained all day yesterday, almost all day yesterday. We did get out in the morning. There was sunshine in the morning, and we did get out and take a nice little walk up the road and up one of the hiking trails for a bit and come back. So we did get a little exploration in while we were here. But we're packing up. We're breaking camp. We're going to stop in Durango, which is about, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 miles down the road. There's my camp shower, which I'm taking down. We hadn't showered in about 3 or 4 days, so we absolutely had to set it up. Heat some water on the stove. You know how it goes. But this little tent is pretty good. It's the same one that Brian has on Adventure Van Man. And it's pretty good. I like it. It's dirty and it's muddy in there now, so it's going to be a mess when I open it up again. But so yeah. But this is a nice spot, and there's plenty of places to pull in off the road. There are pull-offs from the road where you can just park and set up camp. This one already has a fire ring. You can see this is one of the more popular spots, I guess. And somebody left some wood too, some firewood. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It's very shady, very nice. We're into a ponderosa pine type forest, and it still gets kind of cold up here in the morning. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but I got my sweater on. The bugs are thick here. The mosquitoes are bad, but you know, we had a real good breeze when we came in here yesterday. And having a good strong breeze keeps the bugs down. But this morning, they're beginning to become ferocious. So, yeah, I haven't had cell signal for, gosh, it's been about, we left Denver on Sunday, and it is now 1 week. It's Sunday morning. And for almost the entire week, I've had little to no coverage. But, you know, I had 1 bar of 4G here off and on. And I did manage to, you know, reply to a couple of comments on my channel. But there's been times when I've had no signal at all. And sometimes I get like 1x, and all I can do is text and talk, no internet. I mean, once in a while, if I'm lucky, I might get 3 bars. There's been places where I've been staying where I get 3G, and I'll be right in the middle of doing something. All of a sudden, it drops down to nothing. So, yeah, keeping in contact with the outside world has been kind of a spotty proposition. So we're out of here. We're gonna try to make it up toward Rangeley, Colorado. We're gonna go up Route 550 from Durango, and we're gonna branch off into a little corner of Utah and then up through Wyoming and Montana. But I think I'm going to try to put some mileage on. I don't want to, I don't want to go through these mountains too fast, but I want to get up toward Rangeley, up that area today, and we'll see what happens. And we'll catch you later. That's a wrap for today. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, and share, because sharing is caring. Peace and out. So this is about the only view of the surrounding mountains you're going to get from up here. It's all forested. It's hard to see through the trees. But pretty nice. These mountains out here are quite spectacular. They're real and they're spectacular.